Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Automation with Priyanka. Today in this video, I will be covering how to install TestNg framework in Eclipse. So very first, when you open Eclipse, you can just go to Help. Okay. Under Help, you will see this option Eclipse Marketplace and you need to open it. Okay. Once Eclipse Marketplace get open, there you can search in the search, okay, TestNg framework. So guys, TestNg is very popular unit testing framework. When you just search for TestNg, you will able to see this option TestNg for Eclipse, correct? Under Eclipse Marketplace. And there you can see this option install. So just click on install. Now it will take some time and you will able to see that particular process. Okay. Let this install. Let this complete the process. Now, after completion of that step, you will able to just get this option, right? Now here we can confirm. Let's confirm it. And see, you will able to see that license agreement. Accept the license. Click on finish. And now guys, here you can see, you will able to observe that software is installing, right? Whenever it will reach to max 50% or something, right? You will able to see one more option. It might ask you to trust the certificate. Then you have to trust it. And then final option you will see restart your Eclipse. And there you will ready with your TestNg. So just have a look. Full process. Now here you can see I got this window, right? So it is asking me for trust authorities. What to do? Guys, just select this authority. Always trust all the content. It will ask you yes. Do you want to accept the risk? Accept it. And then click on trust selected. So still the software is 17% install only, right? And one more time you are able to see this trust artifact. Just always trust all the content, accept the risk, and then you can click on this button, press selected. And once it is done, you can see last option you are getting, restart Eclipse IDE for, to apply the software update. Let me restart Eclipse. Perfect. But where you can see that, okay, whether the TestNg is installed or not, guys, open any package. So let me explore this and see this is the package, default package currently I'm having. Just right click on that package and there you can see this option TestNg available. So when you right click on any package, you will get this option TestNg and there you can see these two options, create TestNg class and convert to TestNg. And this will be using to write our TestNg test cases. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.